Hey guys, welcome to Simlo Up Kitchen. Guys, I'm eating grapes. I'm really enjoying this grape. And I know you guys might just be saying, it's only grape. It's not only grape for me. It's not only just a grape. It's a grape with seed. It's very hard to find grapes with seed these days. All you find is the artificial grapes. Everything needs seeds, people. We need seeds to reproduce. If the fruit don't have seed, it is some sort of, not saying it is fake, but it's some sort of premature force ripe type of fruit. So every fruit should have seed so that they can reproduce. So that's why I'm so excited about my grape today. Anyway, what's up? This video today is not about grapes. Welcome. I know I haven't been posting videos in a while, but I will try to post a video at least once a week because I'm still cooking. I'm definitely still cooking. I'm never out of the kitchen. That's my favorite spot. I'm cooking, plus I'm baking as well. So I'm always busy in the kitchen. This video today, I made this delicious Korean spicy chicken, and I made it the other day and it was really good. I said, you know what, I need to make a video on this one and post it on my YouTube channel. So I'm going to show you how I make the sauce, all the way to putting it on the chicken. And also I fry, like, you know, I know some people are fish lovers, so I know some people don't eat chicken or other meats, they eat fish. So I also did a part of the video with kingfish where you can see that it can also go on fish. So yes, this is a spicy, it's sweet and spicy Korean chicken breast. Let me tell you, that sauce, the bomb. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Do me a favor, though, before you start watching the video, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you can know when I'm here, and also share it. Thank you in advance. Enjoy the videos. Any questions or comment, just leave it down below. I check my YouTube comments all the time, so I will reply if you have a question. It'll just pop right up on my phone. All right, enjoy this video. Bye bye.
Okay guys, so here's the thing. There's no special way to add all these ingredients in here. You can choose to start off by sauteing the garlic and the ginger. That's how I usually do it. Tell the truth, I totally forgot. I was too excited to just get into showing you guys how to make this sauce. But if I should do it again, I would go ahead and saute the garlic and the ginger first. And you can saute it in butter, you can saute it in olive oil or whatever type of oil you want to use. But I would say saute the butter, the ginger and the garlic. Then you start adding a little bit of water and everything else. But either way you do it, it's gonna taste the same because it's all the same ingredients in there. All right, so just keep watching. All right, so everything that I added to this sauce is right here on the list. You can also add additional sauce, like if you have like sweet chili sauce, you can add that, or if you have like a sweet even a sweet little bit of a sweet barbecue sauce can be added just to thicken it a little bit. Your choice, however you want if you want your sauce to be thick, or if you want your sauce to be spicy, you can add a little bit of whatever else you want to add in there. Yeah, so this sauce came out really delicious, guys, and I really hope that you guys try it. And as you can see, it's all simple recipes, and you can add it to chicken, you can add it to fish, whatever you want. All right, keep watching. This is it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this wonderful recipe. Don't forget to hit that subscription button, share with your friends. Bye, guys. Love ya. Eat right.